back to Mrs. G's Living. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, commentary, and much more. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, we are trying out the one and only Tracee Ellis pattern natural hair care products. This is the Paolo Santo mini styler kit. I purchased it from Sephora for $39.99. It comes with the leave-in conditioner that's 3 fluid ounces. It also comes with a curl mousse, which is 4 fluid ounces. And then it also comes with a styling cream, which is 3 full fluid ounces. I just took my hair out of a braid out. And so let's try the first product, which is the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner features, so the claim, or it's described as, it features a limited edition scent, an earthy and bright aroma of Paolo Santos to enhance self-care routine, a sister to Tracee's Holy Grail. The award-winning formula seals curls with a lasting moisture lotion pack with nutritious oils to combat dryness while also providing a soft hold for curl pattern definition. Hair is left hydrated and you're left ready to take on the world. Now it says to apply it to soaking wet hair, but improvise because my hair is dry. So I have my water bottle, so I'm just gonna spritz. Okay, do a little 1-2 detangling. Okay, so let's open it. Now I have tried her other Holy Grail products, so if you want to see a review on that, I'll link it above or in the description. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner, to me, it's lightweight to me. I've had thicker leave-in conditioners. I do like the smell of it. It reminds me of an older perfume, a more seasoned perfume like White Diamonds, Elizabeth Arden. That's how it smells to me. It is very earthy, but there's a floral scent to it as well. So let's rub it up and put it in the hair, my hair. Okay. Okay. Not bad. So I can see a little goes a long way. So with that little, squirt that I put in, it has moisturized my hair. My hair feels bouncy, which I love. And it detangled quickly. Okay. So far so good. If I had to initial reaction and I had to rate it, I would definitely give it like a 3.5, leading more to a 4. And the reason is I always compare it to other products. And as far as leave-in conditioner, my favorite all-time leave-in conditioner is TGIN. So I always compare it to those. But so far so good. It's very lightweight. It doesn't there's some leave-in conditioners that will weigh your hair down. This is very lightweight and it feels breathable. So far so good. 3.5. I reserve the rights to bump it up after I add the other products, because some products have to combine in order for you to see the overall benefits of using that product. So let's now move on to the mousse. So the mousse is described as, it features a new limited edition scent, an earthy and bright aroma of Paolo Santos to enhance your styling routine. The foamy mousse is crafted from marshmallow roots and castor oil to maintain softness and smoothness. The flake-free foam gives wash and goes, finger waves, finger coils, and protective styles voluminous shine. Okay, let's see. So I don't use that much mousse. I have like 2 mousse that I have on rotation that I use for my natural hair. Okay. Yeah, it still has the same earthy smell. Oh, that feels nice. It smells like a summer day. Okay, I like that. Okay, so far so good, and it hasn't, you know, matted up my hair. So that's good. My hair still feels like it's detangled. Okay. And then the next, my favorite products are creams. I don't know why. Okay. So the cream is described. Okay. Because the little print in there, no ma'am. So the cream is described as it's featuring the subtle wood aroma, evoke a sense of nostalgia and self-care. Our Paolo Santo styling cream provides moisture as you style. This formula gives coils an oil-rich, touchable hold for setting twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and more. Formulated with a blend of shea butter, cacao oil, sweet almond oil to help prevent breakage or damage. Also great for twisting locks. Okay, so let's try it. I hate these. Ooh, I hate these safety seal. Okay. Oh, okay, it's thick. I love me. Okay. All right now. So the mousse, I would rate it, the mousse I loved, so I would rate it a 4. And I am only comparing that to mousse on the market thus far. It shows my favorite mousse. I don't have time. I don't remember what the name is, but it's comparable to that. But I love this mousse, so I'm gonna give it a 4. Okay, so with all 3 products together, my hair feels great. It feels good. So what I'm gonna do is, you know, I'm gonna do a braid out, or maybe I should do a twist out to, like, because I'm always doing a braid out. So I'm gonna do a twist out. I'm gonna do a little 1-2 twist out, and then come back tomorrow and let it out so you can see how it looks. So now I'm gonna put it probably on a little montage. But this thing smells refreshing. And I do love hair care products. Like, I am sensitive to the smell of things. Like, if it smells, back in the days, it was this one natural hair care product that it was a leave-in and a style, and I loved it, but I hated the smell of it. And I think that's why I just never bought it again, but I loved everything else about it. Okay, so we got one down, one juicy twist down, and probably like 10 to 12 more to go. So since this is supposed to apply to, you know, wet hair, I got to wet my hair down. They said soak hair, but this is as good as gonna get. I'm not soaking nothing. Okay, leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. It detangles well. Like, look how good it just detangled that. Okay. I might have to bump it up to 4.5. So I'm gonna use mousse. And I typically don't use mousse for any braid out or twist out. I usually use mousse is like if I'm gonna slick it back. But maybe I should start incorporating that. Maybe my twist outs will last longer. So we have the cream. It's amazing. Okay, let's do, as you can see, a little of the product goes a long way. So I'm gonna do a little bantu knot at the end. Do one more, and I'm gonna come back. Leave-in conditioner, I would bump it up to a 4 because with the other products, it definitely works well. The mousse, another 4 because I really like it, and it's a mousse. Like, I've never encountered a mousse that didn't do what a mousse was supposed to do. And then the cream, I like the cream as well. Oops, look at me about to do a braid out because I'm so used to doing braid.
The cream I would give a 4.
Okay.
Paired with the other products, my hair loved it.
Come back. We're back. I can honestly say, well, I just finished working out. So I just finished working out. I'm just going to take a little bit of the cream because my hair feels dry. So we're going to pull it out. Something with my hair and I'll be back. I would give this line a 4 out of 5 across the board. I love that it paired well together. I love the smell of it. I love the consistency of it. Now the cons. The cons for me is my hair does still feel dry, but I do love that my hair still feels defined even though I plucked it out. As well as my hair is in a stretched out state. It is not as shortened, or it's in a stretched out state. So I do like when I do a twist out and it's in its elongated state. The cons are for the price. So I bought the mini retail for $39.99. I feel like, and these are the minis. So if you were to get the full size products, that's gonna cost you a pretty penny. And I feel like even with the mini for $39.99, you could have gotten a full set of a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, cream, and oil from some other brands. You could have gotten more for your money. So in that sense, it's a con. Would I recommend for you to go buy it? You know, if you're like me that likes to try products, that likes to support women, especially you know, Black women, women of color, by all means, get it. If you are a person that you don't like trying products, you just want to find what's good for you and stick with it, then I wouldn't recommend it. So if you want to find a product that is just something you can stay consistent with, that is affordable, that yeah, this is not it. I wouldn't recommend this. I wouldn't recommend it. There's other more affordable products in this range that you can buy, that you can get more bang for your bucks. And I'll just leave a list of all of the products I've tried thus far so you can go through the playlist and see what I'm talking about. I give you from more affordable products to more affordable hair products to more expensive hair products that you have to buy from Sephora. I give you from, you know, drugstore products to Sephora products, so you can check it out. My hair feels, I do love that my hair feels fluffy and lightweight, but it does feel, to touch, it does feel dry. It may not look dry on camera, but it does definitely feel dry. And then I do love, like I said, that I picked it out and it still has some definition and it still has body and it is elongated, and I didn't have to wait like 3 days to have it, you know, stretched out. So anyway, as I said, I'll give this brand a 4. The board, it worked, it paired well together. It smelled, the consistency, you know, Tracee Ellis was, you know, the girl be doing her own hair. And she be the girly girl. She one of them girly girls that love the finest thing in life. So I don't expect anything less from her. But if you're looking for affordability, this not it. This is like special occasions. Not every Saturday. If you need to wash your hair every Saturday, this is not it. So I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out. Bye.